Hey everyone, it's Nahar here, the CEO and founder of ZIK Analytics. And in today's video, I'll speak with you about automated product research using the Turbo Scanner feature from the ZIK PRO. And before we get started, let's just recap what is an automated product research and for which method it's used. So I want to first break it down to different product research methods and different business models selling on eBay. So there are people who is doing manual dropshipping and looking for products manually, listing products manually. There are people who focus on competitor research or niche research, and there are people who is doing bulk uploading, eBay arbitrage. They basically focus on the big number rules. They upload hundreds and thousands of products to their stores. So as you know, in ZIK, most of the videos I do is about manual dropshipping and manual product research. I truly believe if you put the effort, you can find very good products, which will sell a lot with a very good profit. But in today's video, I'll be speaking with you about how to do automated product research to find hundreds and thousands of products every day, because people who are working with a big number rule model, they listing above 10,000 products to each store they have. So they need to list every day hundreds of products, and some list also thousands of products. And this is exactly why we've built the ZIK PRO features and mainly the Turbo Scanner, is to support this business model and help you guys, people who drop shipping from Amazon to eBay and drop shipping from Walmart to eBay, to find hundreds and thousands of products very quick and also in a very good quality. So let's get started. Let me show you how you can use the Turbo Scanner to find hundreds and thousands of products every day without to compromise on quality. So what is the Turbo Scanner? The Turbo Scanner is sitting on a database of over 6 million Amazon and Walmart products who drop ship on eBay. What we do, we pull the data from another database with over 160,000 eBay sellers. We are matching the products we're selling on eBay with Amazon and Walmart, and we basically collect the data and we give you the ability to filter the products based on sell-through rate, success listings, competition, and total sales. So you can pick basically high demand, low competition with high chances to sell products and list them directly to your store. And of course, you'll need, if you want to do optimization, you'll need to optimize the titles and everything. But this is basically this tool built for people who list hundreds and thousands of products. They have no time for all these small details. They want to come, they want to click few buttons, and they want to download list of hundreds or 200 or 500 products or even 1,000 products and list to their store. So let me show you how this works. So on the supplier tab here, you can choose any supplier you want. Amazon, we support Amazon.com, UK, France, and Germany, etc. Or Walmart. I will just stay here on Amazon.com. You can decide how you want to filter the result based on sell-through, competition, success listings, and sales. I usually go to organize the products from the most selling to the least. And then, as simple as it is, I just choose the criteria. So I for the example, will tell you, I want to see here products with minimum 100% sell-through rates, minimum 50% success rate, no more, maximum 15 competitors, and at least 10 sales in the last 30 days. The Turbo Scanners pull you the data, the statistics from the last 30 days. After I hit all these things here, I fill the filters, I just hit the search button, and in a couple of seconds, you'll get a list of the most selling products with at least 100% sell-through rate, with at least 50% success rate, and with no more than 15 competitors. And it's very quick. Look, it took me a few seconds when we get the list of the products. We can see the product picture and the title from Amazon, the ASIN, the sell-through rate, the successful listings, the total sales in the last 30 days out of 14 competitors, and what is the average selling price of these 14 competitors. So what you need to do next, it will be only to either checkbox the first page, export it, checkbox specific product, export it, or if you want to go wider, you want to export big amount of products, you can just say, okay, I want now all the products from page 1 to page 10, which is 1,000 products, because on every page we have 100 products. Click the export button, and in a couple of seconds, you'll have the file ready. That's it, as simple as it is. You'll open the file and you will see, let me just bring the file here. You will see the list of the products. You will see the title, as seen, sell-through, success rate, sales, competition, average price. You can also filter here the products in a different ways if you like. And just from here, directly to the lister, to the monitor, upload, list it to your store. So this is how quick I found here 1,000 products. Okay, look, I'm down to the 1,000 products with at least 10 sales, no more than 15 competitors, 100% sell-through rate, and no less than 50% success rate. Just few clicks and you're ready to go. Of course, guys, if you're working with a big rule method, there are things you have to consider. You have to make sure you're not listing wrong products. You have to make sure you're not listing zero products. There need to be a selection process where you're validating, beside the monitor itself, which of course the monitor will also filter you out. The zeros will also here doing our filter, but still, I recommend you guys, if you build an assembly line of product when you work in the bulk method way, then in the assembly line, you need to have a step of Vero control extra on top of it. So guys, this is the turbo scanner. It's built for people who is uploading hundreds and thousands of products, working in the big method way. If you are working in this method, this tool is great for you guys. It can save you a lot of time and will put more effort to even build in more features into this into the turbo scanner, and it will help you find plenty of products very quick and help you scale and grow your business. So guys, there is link in the description. There is right now 50% off for the first month for every new user. And also you can just upgrade right now and get 50% off on the first month for upgrading. So guys, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video that will come on Saturday and the next Q&A session on Thursday. Thank you very much, guys, and have a beautiful day. Ciao.